Team India's T20 World Cup squad has been announced with Rohit Sharma as captain and Hardik Pandya as vice captain. Now at the top of the order we have Yashasvi Jaiswal. Jaiswal has 100 in the ongoing IPL 2024 and he will open the innings with Rohit in the T20 World Cup. Now the others who will take the flight to the US and the Caribbean for this marquee event, in that list there is one big name, Virat Kohli. Now Virat Kohli has a great experience of T20 World Cups, and if we talk about his recent form, he's been doing exceedingly well. In IPL 2024, he's got 500 runs. He's leading the race of the orange cap holders, and he is in really good form. He's quite unstoppable in the ongoing IPL. So his name was must in this squad. After that, there is T20 specialist Mr. 360 degrees Surya Kumar Yadav. Now he will strengthen the squad with his power hitting and his different style of batting. Now you all must be thinking, who will go for the wicketkeeper batter's role to the US and the Caribbean? Now Team India has presented, or rather we can say they have roped into wicketkeeper batters. One is Rishabh Pant and the other one is Sanju Samson. Both have batted really well, but Rishabh Pant has batted in the middle order. So he might be the first choice for the wicketkeeper batter's role in the 11 also, because he kept the wickets really well. In one of the matches against Gujarat Titans, he was given the Player of the Match award in IPL for his wicket keeping. So Rishabh Pant has done really well, especially with the comeback that he has made in the IPL after missing cricket for around 15 months after that horrific accident. So both Pant and Samson have been roped into the squad for the wicket keeping and batting role. There comes all-rounders. Hardik Pandya is one. Although his recent form is not that great with Mumbai Indians in the ongoing IPL, but Hardik Pandya, he's a proven all-rounder, a good bowler, batter, and he will also strengthen the squad. Then along with Hardik Pandya, there is Shivam Dube. Now Shivam Dube, purely as a batter, has performed really well for the Chennai Super Kings side in the ongoing IPL, but he has the capability to bowl as well, and for that he has been got into the team. He has got a spot there, and if you must be thinking of any other name or for an all-rounder's job, then you're right there, because there is Ravindra Jadeja. Now Ravindra Jadeja has a special quality. He covers three departments: bowling, batting and fielding, and that's why Jadeja is there. And along with Jadeja, there is also Akshar Patel, so you can also count Akshar Patel as an all-rounder because he gives both batting and bowling option. Then as spinners, Team India has Kulcha combination, Kuldeep Yadav and Yuzvendra Chahal. Chahal got 200 wickets in IPL and he is the only bowler to do so, and with his current form he has got a position in the 15-member squad as well. Now you must be thinking, what about the pacers? Obviously Jasprit Bumrah over there. He's the key pacer, the lead pacer for Team India, and along with him there is Arshdeep Singh and Mohammad Siraj. Now let's go to the reserves. In reserves there is Shubman Gill. He's been batting decently well in the ongoing IPL and can do a really good job as an opener in the US and the Caribbean, along with Rohit Sharma or Yashasvi Jaiswal if need be. And then in the reserves there is Khalil Ahmed. He has bowled well and he gives a good option if any of the bowlers won't work out there. And then in the reserves there is Avesh Khan and Rinku Singh. Now Rinku Singh, he is a terrific batter, no doubt about that, but he hasn't fired up in the ongoing IPL. In the last editions of IPL he batted really well, although he didn't get enough chances in IPL 2024, but all the chances that he got, he almost scored a runner ball, and that's why Rinku Singh perhaps hasn't been included in the 15-member squad. Also, Rinku Singh doesn't bring anything extra to the team as Shivam Dube does. He has the ability to bowl 1 or 2 overs, which Rinku Singh certainly doesn't have. So perhaps that's why Team India must have thought to go ahead with Shivam Dube in the 15-member squad. So that's that about India's squad, and Team India's tour will begin in the month of June once the T20 World Cup will kick-start. So that's that about Team India's World Cup squad, where Rohit Sharma will be leading the side and Hardik Pandya will be his deputy.